Print on Demand (POD) is a flexible and low-risk online business model. You create designs for printable products like t-shirts or tote bags and list them online. When someone places an order, a third-party POD service provider prints and ships the item directly to your customer. In this video, we are going to talk about print on demand, step by step for beginners. Before we start the video, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Let's start the video. Create unique designs. When it comes to print on demand in 2025, creating unique designs is what separates successful sellers from everyone else. Instead of copying popular trends, focus on adding your own creative twist, something that reflects your personality, humor, or message. Start by researching your niche deeply. Understand what your audience loves, their pain points, and what kind of art or phrases they connect with emotionally. Then, brainstorm design ideas that resonate with them, whether it's bold typography, aesthetic illustrations, or minimalist graphics. Use design tools like Canva, Photoshop, or Illustrator to bring your ideas to life, and make sure your designs look great on multiple products like t-shirts, mugs, or tote bags. Keep your branding consistent so your store feels professional and cohesive. Test different color palettes, fonts, and styles to see what sells best, and don't be afraid to evolve your art with feedback. Remember, originality and authenticity are your biggest assets. People want designs that feel real, not recycled. So keep creating, experimenting, and refining until your products truly stand out in the crowded print-on-demand world. Choose product types. When building your print-on-demand business, choosing the right product types is just as important as the designs themselves. Start with products that are proven bestsellers, like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, tote bags, and phone cases, because they are affordable, easy to customize, and appeal to a wide audience. Then, narrow down based on your niche. For example, if your audience loves fitness, add gym wear, water bottles, or motivational posters. If you target pet lovers, include pet accessories like bandanas or bowls. Home decor items like pillows, wall art, and blankets work great for lifestyle or aesthetic niches, while notebooks and stickers attract younger, creative audiences. Always test a few products first to see what your audience buys most before expanding your catalog. Quality matters more than quantity. Focus on offering durable, well-printed product that customers will love and reorder. Finally, keep an eye on seasonal trends. Think Christmas sweaters, summer tank tops, or Valentine's mugs to boost sales during key times of the year. The right product mix helps your brand feel focused, professional, and profitable. Connect POD to your online store. To turn your print-on-demand business into a real brand, you need to connect your POD platform to your online store seamlessly. Start by choosing a reliable print-on-demand partner like Printful, Gelato, or Printify. These platforms easily integrate with e-commerce sites such as Shopify, Etsy, or WooCommerce. Once connected, every product you design on your POD platform automatically syncs to your store with images, descriptions, and pricing. When a customer places an order, the print-on-demand partner handles everything: printing, packaging, and shipping, while you focus on marketing and growing your brand. Make sure to customize your store's theme, layout, and product pages to match your brand identity, from your logo and colors to your tone of voice. Add high-quality mockups and lifestyle photos to make your products more appealing. Don't forget to test your store checkout process to ensure it's smooth and user-friendly. This automation not only saves time, but also lets you scale without worrying about inventory or fulfillment. Once your store and POD service are connected properly, your business runs almost hands-free, so you can focus on what really matters: designing, promoting, and building loyal customers. Optimize product listings. To truly stand out in the competitive print-on-demand world, you need to optimize your product listings with precision and creativity. Start with high-quality photos and mock-ups that showcase your designs clearly and attractively. Use lifestyle images that help customers visualize how the product fits into their daily lives. For example, show your t-shirt designs on real people or your mugs in cozy home settings. Next, write engaging and keyword-rich titles and descriptions that highlight your product's benefits, not just its features. Instead of saying cotton t-shirt, say soft, breathable cotton t-shirt designed for comfort and everyday wear. Add your brand personality into the text, whether that's fun, minimalist, or motivational. to help build a stronger emotional connection with your audience. Keep your branding consistent across all listings by using the same color scheme, tone, and logo placement. Don't forget to set competitive prices that reflect both quality and profit margin. Lastly, include customer reviews, size guides, and shipping details to build trust and reduce buyer hesitation. The goal is to make every listing not just a product page, but a professional showcase of your brand's identity, clear, appealing, and ready to convert visitors into loyal customers. Receive customer orders. Once your print-on-demand store is live and optimized, the exciting part begins, receiving customer orders. When someone makes a purchase on your store, your connected POD platform automatically takes over. The order details, product type, size, design, and shipping address are instantly sent to your print provider, who prints, packs, and ships the item directly to your customer under your brand name. You don't need to worry about inventory, packaging, or delivery. It's all automated. However, your role doesn't end there. Make sure to monitor your orders daily to ensure smooth processing and track shipments to keep your customers informed. Send automated email updates confirming the order, shipping status, and estimated delivery. A quick thank you message or personalized note can also help turn one-time buyers into loyal fans. If any issue arises, such as delays or printing errors, handle it promptly and professionally by contacting your POD partner and keeping your customer updated. Remember, great communication and reliability build trust, and trust drives repeat sales. So while your print-on-demand platform manages production, your focus should be on customer satisfaction and creating a seamless buying experience from order to delivery. Production and fulfillment. Once a customer places an order, the production and fulfillment process begins, the heart of your print-on-demand business. Your chosen POD provider, such as Printful, Printify, or Gelato, automatically receive the order details from your online store. They then start printing your design onto the selected product using high-quality materials and advanced printing methods like direct-to-garment, DTG, sublimation, or embroidery, depending on what you've chosen. After printing, each product goes through a quality check to ensure the colors, placement, and design accuracy meet professional standards. Then it's carefully packaged and shipped directly to your customer under your brand name. You don't have to handle any inventory or logistics yourself. Most POD platforms also provide tracking information that syncs to your store, keeping your customers updated every step of the way. Still, it's important to regularly monitor your fulfillment process, check customer feedback, and order samples yourself to maintain consistent quality. Efficient production and fulfillment build your reputation for reliability and professionalism, allowing you to scale confidently while your POD partner takes care of the hard work behind the scenes.